Global Skills Park City Campus, laid in the year 2019 by the Government of Madhya Pradesh along with the Asian Development Bank under the MPSDP project. GSP-CC hosts 1-year advanced certification course in precision engineering with mentoring from world's top-ranking TVET institute based in Singapore. GSP-CC offers 240 seats with 2 batches in a year. The training module of both the batches was on the run when there was a sudden outbreak of COVID-19 and the country was in lockdown.
पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। अभी के हालात को देखते हुए देश में ये लॉकडाउन 21 दिन का होगा।
It was within the first 10 days of lockdown, the think tank of GSP-CC took the step of restarting the classes with the help of virtual platforms. In first stage, the selection of virtual platform was finalized. In second stage, training of trainers was done with various tools of e-classes like Open Whiteboard and Zodo, followed by demo classes to ensure each trainer is prepared for delivering e-training to their students. Thirdly, with the help of soft skills trainings, students were told about online class etiquettes to be followed during the class, and proper system of streamlining of attendance is created with a protocol of securing minimum 85% attendance of the total classes. With the beginning of technical e-classes, the trainers shared the study material and class notes into lightest possible files with students during the class and used free online software for teaching precision engineering program designs. For those students who had difficulty during the e-classes, extra e-classes were organized. During the e-classes, the students were given assignments for better understanding of concept before the next class. Further, to reach out the GSP-CC students in rural areas where internet connectivity was a problem, recorded classes were uploaded in platforms like Google Classrooms to improve the overall experience of the online classes.
We have taken an initiative to conduct virtual classes in this lockdown period, and we are very proud that it is running successfully with the hard work of our all trainers and students of GSP-CC.
Thank you,
Global Skill Park,
for providing us
a world-class
e-learning experience.
Thank you, Global Skill Park, for providing us a world-class e-learning experience.